Alright guys, so we're back with Obie. So remember, Obie's going to be available for adoption. He's already neutered. He's got all his shots. And whoever gets him just needs to get the collar. And he has all this professional training. Alright, so let's just take him up and back. So I do not have the sound box on, but I'm doing the pager with every command. Alright, away. See how he whips right around. So we're doing this as the training director. So I'm doing the remote, and that's what I want you guys to practice at home. There's somebody else that can help handle the dog, and you do the remote. I mean, sometimes you can see things, you know, that you can't see from, you know, the perspective of being right next to the dog. All right, good. All right, let's drop. So I don't know if you could hear that, but I'm just clicking that pager. Alright, go back to heel, so then you're always kind of coming back to heel. You've got to be concise with that, you guys. Don't be sloppy. Oh, he's a little fancy one, this one. Anyone would want him. He'd be great to go jogging or anything. Alright, let's go down.
Down.
Oh.
Obie. Down. Good boy. Such a good boy.
Yeah, he definitely has like the little border collie attention span thing. Whoops. Oh, he's an alert little dog, that one. But yeah, Amy, look at his face. It looks completely different than it did before. Alright, let's just go up and back again.
Obie, heel.
So I'm starting the pager slightly before. This dog has a pretty fast reaction time.
Heel.
Alright, you need to stop doing the treats on the heeling for right now. You want to get to a point, guys, where you're not doing the treats on every turn. That nice little attention span, though. Alright, drop.
Down.
So what I'm doing is clicking the pager slightly right as I'm saying drop, so it's you know, by the time she says it, it's happening just ever so slightly before. Alright, let's get him back into place.
Obie, heel. Obie, heel. Into place. And down. Down.
Whoops. Alright, more updates on Obie soon. See ya.